Samsung has entered the mass production of the first 4 TB SATA QLC SSD for the consumer market. Today's news reaches the pinnacle of this week's Flash Memory Summit, an annual storage conference in which all the latest flash and memory technologies are announced. Samsung is often a major conference sponsor and dominates the exhibition hall, but the company is curiously absent this year. In any case, Samsung's announcement of its new 4 TB QLC SSD comes hand in hand with QLC ads from Intel, Micron, Western Digital and Toshiba, which leaves SK hynix as the only flash manufacturer that has not announced a new QLC product. Samsung bases its QLC flash on the same 1 TB V-NAND that it currently uses as the basis for its TLC flash. TLC flash memory stores 3 bits per cell, making the technology more compact and cheaper than flash memory of the previous generation. The change to QLC flash, which stores 4 bits per cell, promises to bring even lower prices to the market and higher capacity SSDs. An additional 33% in storage density results in lower strength and performance, but advances in 3D manufacturing technology have made the new NAND viable for lightweight applications, including desktop PCs. Samsung claims that it has bypassed the traditional challenges associated with the QLC flash and can maintain the same speeds it achieves with its TLC SSDs, such as its popular 970 EVO series. Samsung will continue to take advantage of much of its existing technology, such as TurboWrite and its patented SSD drivers, and promises sequential read/write performance of 540/520 MB per second. Samsung has not provided random performance metrics or resistance, which are more important than sequential performance. The 2.5-inch SATA SSD will come armed with 32 chips based on the 4th generation of the company's 64-layer flash.